Imagine a home where the future isn't a dream. It's something you can feel the moment you walk in. A place built around calm, space, and quiet luxury. Stone, wood, glass, three materials that create the perfect balance of warmth and modern design. There's no loud glamour here. Only light, silence, and the kind of atmosphere that instantly resets your mind. You step inside and the first thing you notice is the air. Clean, fresh, filtered by an intelligent system you never even hear working. The glass walls open the view completely, making nature feel like part of the room. Soft daylight moves across the wooden textures, creating a peaceful, natural rhythm. The living room feels open and effortless. Minimalist but never empty. Modern but never cold. Every detail is intentional. Every line has a purpose. Technology stays invisible, helping you without distracting you. The kitchen of 2035 looks simple, but everything inside is smart. The oven chooses the perfect temperature. The fridge tracks what you need. And the countertop turns into a control surface with a single touch. Everything is clean, smooth, and beautifully functional. Step outside onto the terrace, and the world slows down. A pool glowing with warm lights, wooden walkways wrapping around the water, and a gentle morning fog drifting above the surface. People move calmly without rush. It's a place for morning coffee, quiet thoughts, evening talks. A place to just breathe. The spa zone feels like a private sanctuary. Cedar sauna, warm steam, soft lighting. A space where your mind disconnects and your body finally relaxes. The bedroom is where the day ends peacefully. A panoramic view, warm lighting that adjusts to your mood, and a silence that feels deeper than sleep itself. Everything in this house is designed to make your life simple, beautiful, and calm. This is a home that truly feels like the future. Would you live in a place like this? Subscribe, more future homes are on the way.